What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be seeing if we can use peanut butter to restore the trim on my Mustang. And before that, let's give this thing a wash real quick.
I'm sorry if I seem uninterested or I'm not listening or I'm indifferent. Truly, I ain't got no business here, but since my friends are here, I just came to kick it. But really, I would rather be at home all by myself, not in this room with people who don't even care about my well-being.
Okay, so we totally have everything we need for our totally scientific video. So for our control, we have Mother's Back to Black Trim Restore for plastic and trim. And then we have our peanut butter. And what I'm using is Smucker's natural peanut butter. And I have the creamy because that's all I have in my house. And also it's probably better than the chunky because I don't know if chunks would do anything different. But let's start with the Back to Black, and we'll put it on a part of the trim. Okay, now look at that shine. It does a really good job. It's Mother's. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. It restores your trim, gets that nice deep black back into your hood. Now let's try that Smucker's creamy peanut butter. Well, it did work. It did get it back pretty well. But it's just not as practical. As you can see, I don't know if it's taking off dirt or something, but it did get it back pretty well to a pretty good black. But I don't know if this is exactly more practical than using just Mother's Back to Black. Well, guys, in conclusion, the peanut butter did work. I'm not sure if I would ever use Smucker's again. The only issue with the peanut butter, besides it's kind of messy, is it's almost impossible to get it out of like any nooks and crevices that the Mother's, I almost said Meguiar's, the Back to Black just trim restore does a lot better job. It's not that expensive, guys. Just stick with it. It was just a really cool little experiment, but I'll catch you guys in the next video. Guys, if you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more New Edge Mustang content and just car content in general, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.